Meher is a beautiful pink and plum toned outfit, so I'm sure it's going to be a favorite of you all and will win all the hearts. Ye hai ji Meher with its beautiful embroidery. Oof, I love it. It's simply classy, simply very, very classy and pretty. Check out the vintage embroidery. I'm in love with it. Check it out, the web, the beauty of the design, the colors, the stitch. Everything is awesome. I'm awestruck for sure. और I'm sure आप सबको भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. Now this is the back. The same essential design you can see. और ये है जी इसका sleeves का fabric with its cut work all over. Such a different design for the sleeves. Very nice. Okay, now this is for the दामन. ये जैसे आप देख सकते हैं दामन पे उसी तरह ये दामन का embroidered lace आ गई. These are the cupcake crochet laces which can be used anywhere you want, on the side slits, on the gala, on the daman, on anywhere for the finishings. There are 2-3 types of laces in there. ये बहुत ही different and beautiful silk के हमारे tassel buttons हैं. Can you see? These are lovely with pearl effect in it. And of course हमारी sleeves की finishing के लिए these silky murray balls for the sleeve finishing. And this pearl embellished one is for the घेरा. और ये side के आपके slits पे भी use हो सकता है. Very nice it is. अच्छा जी, ये है हमारी बहुत ही खूबसूरत shawl इसके साथ की. Let me open it up a bit for you. You can see it's embroidered motifs and this border throughout. And with this, दो sides के लिए ये साथ है हमारे. और just this, we have this khadr trouser fabric in pinks.